Hey everybody, so what are picks and shovel stocks? Sounds a little weird. So the term picks and shovels comes from the gold rush. And this is a term where in the gold rush, only a small fraction of people who mined for gold got rich. But everyone who sold the picks and shovels to the miners, they were the ones that got rich. So it's the idea of when there's a gold rush. So right now, cryptocurrency, everybody's buying crypto coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. Some of the people who buy these coins, they will get rich. Not all of them. It's like they're the miners at the gold rush. The people who are going to get rich off of cryptocurrencies are the people who sell the trading programs. They have websites that talk about cryptocurrencies. They sell the hard wallets. They sell supplies, mining supplies to the crypto investors. These are the picks and shovel peoples. These are the people that are going to get rich. These are the people who are driving the Lamborghinis. Now, you don't necessarily have to start a business to get to take advantage of this picks and shovel strategy, especially when you're stock investing, because when you're stock investing, a lot of people or everybody really gravitates towards a handful of stocks like your Apples and Amazons. But what a lot of people don't know is in order for a company, a 500 or $700 billion company, in order for that company to operate, they're dependent on suppliers, people who provide services to allow these companies to run. And these are essentially the picks and shovels for your Amazons and your Apples. So the strategy here is find the companies that support the big monster stocks that everybody's investing in. And usually these stocks, you can find outperformance opportunities. So going back to the gold rush, I just want to give you some fun facts here about picks and shovels here. Here's a fun fact. A gold pan, one of these little pans, is nothing more than a little metal pan with holes in it that you put it in a river and you get a bunch of dirt and it filters out the sand so you can find the gold rocks. So it's just a little pan. A gold pan cost 20 cents before the gold rush, okay? That's the equivalent to $6 in today's money. So that sounds personally reasonable for a little metal pan with holes in it. Before the gold rush, you go to California, that gold pan is going to cost you 20 cents. After the gold rush, okay, after people start finding gold, that gold pan, same gold pan, costs $8 in 1851 money. So that's the equivalent of $240. So a gold pan before the gold rush was in today's money $6, and then after the gold rush, $240. Okay, that's basically a 120-fold increase. So you can see what the power of a picks and shovel play is. In fact, buying a gold pan after the gold rush was the equivalent of getting, if you look at the price of gold, it was the equivalent of getting like 1/10 to 2/10 of an ounce of gold for one gold pan. So you didn't have to be one of these gold miners going up there spending your whole day trying to get 1/10 of an ounce of gold. You could just be a guy selling the gold pan and you could essentially make an ounce of gold a day every day, guaranteed, if you just sold like 5 or 6 gold pans. So realize that in a boom, any boom anywhere, very few people get rich from the boom itself. It's really the people who get rich, who sell the supplies to the people who are investing into the boom. So how can you find these in the stock market? All right. In any sector boom, look at the companies that serve as the market leaders. So for instance, look at companies that serve as suppliers for Apple or Tesla. And I'm going to give you some examples here. Some companies that support Apple: Jabil Circuit, symbol JBL, Dolby, DLB, and Cirrus Logic, CRUS. These are lesser known companies that have a humongous upside if Apple is successful. Their fortunes are tied to Apple. Less people know about them, so these stocks are less crowded. So if you want to find out who are the picks and shovel stocks are for these monster companies, just look online just Google supplier list for Apple, supplier list for Amazon, supplier list for Netflix, and you'll find a list of suppliers. Some of them are privately traded, some of them are publicly traded, and the ones that are publicly traded, from there, you now have a short list of stocks, and then you can do the fundamentals, which ones are profitable. You also want to check which of these supplier companies have competition, because Amazon or Apple can decide to switch suppliers, and then if that happens, that stock will get cut in half. So you want to make sure the company, the supplier company, has no real competition, so the big company that it's serving doesn't just switch suppliers. So I hope that helps with picks and shovel stocks. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.